Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade watercolors. So let's start. The items we need is a watercolor pad or thick paper, a paintbrush, a small piece of foil. You don't really need a big, so just a small, a napkin, some markers. It doesn't matter if they're we need washable markers, and then a cup of water. So right now I am gonna show you how to make your own watercolor. So to get started, I already used this page, but because I don't want to really waste papers, I'm gonna do that. So you take your piece of foil, keep neat, nice and clean, and then take your markers, and right now, just take your marker and scribble on. So you see I scribbled yellow over there. And then dip your paintbrush in the water. And then do this. Because it's watercolor, you need to add like very much water. So over there. The watercolor is thick and nice. So right now, I am gonna paint a flower with the watercolor for a demo. Going over here, and maybe let's take blue. No, not blue. And red. So I have my color scribbled. Now, I'm gonna dip it in the water. And first I'm gonna use yellow to make a small dot. And then red. So make sure it's not like very close to the other watercolor. It may go together. So that, and then I will use green. So, you guys see how it worked out? It worked out pretty good. But I know now you're like, now the foil is pretty dirty. What am I going to do? And you're going to think, oh, maybe I'll just throw it in the dustbin and I'll take a new piece of foil. And I don't want you guys to do that, because just take your napkin. Just rub it off. Rub it as neatly as you can. So anyways, my napkin is dirty, so you can't really see that. But now it's neat as clean. Neat as new. So now I'm going to just add orange, and I'm going to show you that the colors are not going to mix. Even though after I cleaned it, if you're thinking like, it maybe mix. It won't. Oh, I need more water, sorry. Won't mix. It's pure and neat. So, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked, enjoy, learned something new, and please subscribe. And also click the notification bells to hear more about my videos. Thank you, bye!